Welcome to Upstyle Plus. In this video, I will show you how to install OpenCode extension in VS Code. To do that, go to extensions in VS Code by clicking this icon. Search OpenCode. This is the extension, OpenCode by SST. OpenCode extension requires OpenCode CLI to be installed on your system. And OpenCLI needs a Node.js and NPM installed in system. So first make sure Node.js is installed. To do that, search Node.js, go to Node.js website, click Get Node.js. If you're on Windows, click Windows Installer, install Node.js. It will bring NPM with it. NPM is Node Package Manager. After that, go to this website, opencode.ai, and click NPM. Copy this command, npm i-g opencode-ai. It will install OpenCode CLI globally in system. So copy this command, go to VS Code, click Terminal, New Terminal, select the app. I selected this location, and here, Node-V. It gives us Node version. That means I have installed Node.js already, right? And then give this command npm i-g opencode-ai to install OpenCode CLI in system globally. So once it is installed, close it, go back to extensions tab, search OpenCode, click OpenCode, and install this extension. The extension is installed. Go back. After installation, open project folder, add project folder, like click File, add folder to workspace. This is our folder, project folder. Let's add a file in it and call it index.html. So this is the file. File is opened, and now we have this OpenCode extension icon. Click it. An OpenCode extension will be opened in a split view, side by side. Here you can type prompt and use OpenCode extension. OpenCode CLI is used in terminal, like here. If I go to terminal and type OpenCode here, OpenCode CLI interface will be opened. That is exactly like that, the OpenCode extension. But terminal is sometimes messy to work with. So that is why we are not using terminal. We are using OpenCode extension instead of OpenCode CLI. But OpenCode extension is using OpenCode CLI. OpenCode VS Code extension allows you to work with OpenCode AI agent in split window view. This is clean. Now all you have to do is to make sure that you are inside a project, and then type prompt here and hit enter. You can build apps or modify apps. Right now it is in build mode. You can press tab to switch mode, plan mode and build mode. And you can also press Ctrl P for commands. You can give commands as well. And if you want to switch AI provider, type connect/connect and hit enter. Then you can select the AI provider here. Let's test it. So this is the prompt. Create a simple modern ROI calculator web app using HTML, Tailwind, CSS, and vanilla JavaScript. And there are some other details. And now it is creating files, CSS file, script file, and index file was already there. So let's see what it manages to create. And here we have the code for index.html file. And that's it. Let's see. And here's the calculator. Amount invested, let's say $1,000. Amount returned, 4K. Investment time, let's say 10 years. So here's the net profit. And ROI is this. We can press reset to start over. Amazing. Okay, so this is how you can install OpenCode extension in VS Code and work with it. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.